Modal verbs help us express ability. Today, we focus on could for past ability. Could shows what someone was able to do before now. It talks about skills or actions from the past. This lesson covers the form usage and examples for beginners. Past ability means what someone was able to do before. Could expresses general abilities from the past. It describes skills or actions that were possible regularly. Use it for habits and capabilities, not one-time events. Could shows repeated past actions. She could read when she was 4 years old. This means reading was her general skill at that age. He could speak French as a child. This shows his past language ability. When I was younger, I could climb trees easily. They could swim well before they moved. Each sentence shows repeated past skills. The structure is simple. Subject plus could plus base verb. Like I could run, use it for general past abilities and habits. It works with all subjects I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Always follow could with base verb form. Never add s, ed, or ing endings. For negatives, use could not or could not. They mean past inabilities. I could not swim when I was 5. She could not speak Spanish. We could not see the mountains. They could not finish the race. Both forms mean the same thing. Now practice with these sentences. When I was a child, I blank ride a bike. She blank play the piano very well. We blank understand the movie last night. He blank speak English fluently before. Fill each blank with the correct past ability word. Here are the correct answers. When I was a child, I could ride a bike. She could play the piano very well. We could understand the movie last night. He could speak English fluently before. Each sentence uses could for general past ability. Remember these 4 main points. Use could for general past abilities only. Could not or could not shows past inabilities. Always use base verb after could no endings. It works perfectly with every subject pronoun.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.